Just a heads up, some of the links in the description box are affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you purchase something through those links. This helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, let's get to it.
Ever wonder about that bright yellow spice that adds a pop of color to your curries? That's turmeric, a root from the ginger family with a long history of use in traditional medicine. The key player in turmeric's potential health benefit is curcumin, a powerful compound. While research suggests curcumin might help with inflammation, blood sugar control, and even some other issues, it's important to remember that more studies are needed to fully understand its effects. This information comes from trusted sources, which I'll link below for you. But it's always a good idea to do your own research too. Here's the important part. Because everyone's body is different, turmeric might interact with medications you're taking or worsen certain health conditions. So, before making any changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health concerns, talk to your doctor. They can help you decide if turmeric is right for you. Now, turmeric comes in many forms: ground spice, fresh root, and even dietary supplements. No matter which you choose, you'll be adding a touch of flavor and potentially some health benefits to your life. Number 1. Reduces inflammation. Ever wonder why turmeric adds that vibrant yellow color to your curry? It's not just for looks. Turmeric contains a special substance called curcumin, which might be a friend to your body. Inflammation, that fancy word for your body's defense system against injuries or germs, can sometimes linger even when there's no threat. This ongoing inflammation is linked to many health issues. Here's where curcumin comes in. Studies suggest it may help fight inflammation, although you'd need a decent amount. Still, any help could be valuable, especially for managing chronic conditions. Think of chronic inflammation like a tiny fire smoldering inside you. It might not cause immediate damage, but over time, it can harm your health. So anything that can reduce inflammation, like curcumin, has potential benefits. But remember, it's not a magic bullet. It's one piece of the puzzle. Doctors might recommend other approaches like a Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, which can help lower inflammation. The good news is, you have some control. By eating a healthy diet with anti-inflammatory foods and avoiding processed foods and sugary drinks, you can take steps to reduce inflammation and potentially improve your overall health. Number 2. Arthritis. Research suggests curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric, might have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a key player in many types of arthritis, including rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. So in theory, curcumin could potentially help reduce inflammation and associated pain. Studies looking at potential benefits for arthritis often use higher doses of curcumin than typically found in dietary turmeric. Also, curcumin is poorly absorbed by the body on its own. Look for curcumin supplements with black pepper or a special formulation to improve absorption. Turmeric is generally considered safe for most people in moderate amounts used in cooking. However, taking high doses as a supplement might cause side effects like stomach upset or diarrhea. It's crucial to speak with your doctor before taking turmeric supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or take medications. Turmeric can interact with certain blood thinners and other drugs. Maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, and managing stress can significantly improve arthritis symptoms. If you decide to try it for your joint pain, help your body absorb natural curcumin by eating your turmeric along with black pepper.
Since you stayed with me this far, there is a delicious bonus recipe in the description box below, so please subscribe to my channel. It really helps to bring you many more healthy videos and recipes like this.
Number 3. Depression. Turmeric's effect on mood disorders, depression, and dementia have also been explored. Depression is a widespread mood disorder affecting millions of people globally. It's more than just feeling down for a few days. It's a persistent feeling of sadness, hopelessness, and loss of interest in activities you once enjoyed. It can significantly impact your daily life, relationships, and work. Turmeric has recently gained interest for its potential role in managing depression. Turmeric and curcumin show promise in potentially aiding depression management, but more research is needed. Don't consider turmeric a substitute for professional diagnosis and treatment of depression. It can be a complementary approach, but it should never replace medications or therapy recommended by your doctor. Number 4. Health benefits and heart disease. To reap the potential benefits of turmeric, incorporate it into your cooking. It pairs well with curries, rice dishes, vegetables, and smoothies. Look for curcumin supplements formulated with black pepper or other ingredients to enhance absorption. By incorporating turmeric into your diet and lifestyle responsibly, you might experience some of its potential health benefits. Research suggests turmeric holds promise for heart health. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory properties, which may be beneficial as chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease risk factors like high cholesterol. Number 5. Delays aging. As I mentioned, free radicals are like tiny troublemakers in our bodies. These highly reactive molecules have an unpaired electron, making them unstable and eager to steal electrons from other molecules. This electron stealing can damage important cellular components like fats, proteins, and even our genetic material, DNA. Over time, this damage accumulates, contributing to the aging process. This is where curcumin steps in as a potential hero. Due to its unique chemical structure, curcumin acts as a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants are like knights in shining armor for our cells, neutralizing free radicals before they can cause harm. By neutralizing free radicals, curcumin may help reduce oxidative damage, potentially slowing down the aging process and offering some protection against diseases associated with oxidative stress. Number 6. Lowers risk of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder that steals memories. While research is ongoing, some studies suggest turmeric might offer a glimmer of hope. Our brains naturally produce a molecule called BDNF, which helps with memory and learning. Unfortunately, low BDNF levels are linked to Alzheimer's. Interestingly, curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, may help increase BDNF levels. This suggests turmeric could potentially play a role in protecting brain function. Number 7. Skin health and texture. Turmeric's vibrant yellow color comes from powerful compounds called curcuminoids. These curcuminoids may act like tiny shields for your skin. They might help neutralize free radicals, those damaging molecules caused by pollution and sunlight. This protection could potentially help keep your skin healthy and radiant. Number 8. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure can be a health concern. Interestingly, curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has some properties that might be beneficial for blood pressure control. Here's why. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including high blood pressure. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties might help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially contributing to lower blood pressure. Number 9. Fights bacteria and viruses. Studies suggest it might have antiviral and antibacterial properties. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, might help fight off some viruses like the flu or herpes. It's important to consult with a doctor before using turmeric for any specific health condition, especially cancer. Cancer treatment should be managed by a qualified medical professional. Number 10. Speeds up metabolic rate. While some information online suggests turmeric can significantly boost your metabolism, it's important to manage expectations. There's currently no strong scientific evidence that turmeric directly speeds up your metabolism in a major way. Research suggests curcumin might play a role in managing blood sugar levels and reducing inflammation. These factors can indirectly influence how your body uses energy. Turmeric is a healthy spice with potential benefits, but it's not a shortcut for boosting your metabolism. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with exercise and a balanced diet is the best approach for long-term metabolic health. Since you stayed with me this long, check out the recipe below for gut-healthy golden milk smoothie. It's a great way to enjoy your turmeric.